Thank you so much. So I would like to invite our next speaker, Dr. Shah.
I'm from Germany, but I live actually probably more in India than Germany.
Do we all get this presentation?
We can wait. If you're interested, we can share that with you.
Yeah.
No problem. He's connected with your field, and then that's the way to connect.
Bear with the technology again. It'll be a running joke all day. This technology is just not going to work all day, is it?
Good afternoon, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends. Myself, Rahul Shah, founder of Gajali Group. It's my pleasure and honor to have an opportunity to share my thoughts and innovation in front of all of us, all of you, at this auspicious occasion. And I am thankful to WVR team and Chairman Mr. Diwakar Sukul for giving me this opportunity and platform to place the things in front of you. I am not here to market my products, but I am here to explain to the world that now organic farming is compulsion. If you don't, then you are going to spoil the soil, and the coming generation is not going to get anything. So this is not what you are going to give to your generation. We have developed a organic fertilizer made out of plant leaves, stems, barks. Extraction is being done in the style of God. What planetary system act according to the magnetical field and gravitational field has been taken care of while doing the extraction of this. And the main carrier to the whole thing is Gomutra. We do extraction in a very old method of the Indian culture, from where I come from. And that extraction extracts the one which cannot be extracted by alcohol, by acids, by water, by oil. Nothing can be soluble in such substances. Like there are so many minerals which cannot be solubilized, the matter remains as it is and the form doesn't change. But in Gomutra, after a certain time, it changes. But only Gomutra cannot act until and unless the water is being given to the enzymes, which grows by itself. And that is how it starts turning its position. We have tried in lots of ways and lots of manners. But this is how we have got the result. I think when I tell this, people are shocked. Yeah, how can you not use DAP and urea and how can you get the crop? You get the crop only by using this. Because dosings are important. You cannot take just Gaumutra and spray it all on the plant or anything else. Or you cannot take something else and just spray it. The dosings in organic is also more important. We have developed a technology where the spray, when you spray the material, it goes to the whole plant and the whole plant has a capacity to absorb the nutrient and minerals from the atmosphere. You must be amazed when the growth of the crop of the rainy season is different, growth of the crop of the winter is different, summer is different. Why difference in the growth of the crop and why the difference in nutritional quality? There is only one reason. When the rain comes, it brings lots of natural minerals. And you have seen in my video that when lightning strikes, the nitrogen molecules get separated from the air and goes to the soil. That is being captured by the soil. But how long does it remain? Sorry. Urea remains for 4 or 5 hours, vanishes. That remains for maximum 6 to 7 hours, vanishes. What we have created that supports the crop till it is harvested. We create a nano cycle of enzymes which gives birth to nematodes. Nematodes has a very short life. It lives only for 1.5 to 2 hours. 17% of the nematodes contains nitrogen in them. Organic and inorganic both. Inorganic material which has been used in the farms. Not spoiling of soil and land, but also spoiling the generation. Your thoughts, your behaviors. Function of the body, human immunity, everything. Decrease and increase in the gender. The gender, I wouldn't tell on this platform clearly, but the gender, we are only 2 gender, men and women. So imbalance of the gender has already started. Impotence is started. People are going to get separated. Marriage life is not going to run long. If organic farming is not brought into the practice, and you have to say goodbye to inorganic matter and all the conventional farming. Second thing is, as Dr. Barrick told, Agnihotra, as I believe, whatever studies has been done is great achievement. As a foreigner doing studies in Indian culture, I am not giving you anything new. Ladies and gentlemen, I am bringing you way back, long back, my Indian culture and technology in front of the world, which world has forgotten. You don't need any inorganic chemicals or any inorganic things. God has produced everything on the land to give it to your crop. But nobody wants to do. Second thing, we have dropped 80% of the costing. Costing is just 20%. If organic farming, the costing is 100 pounds. My costing is only 20 pounds. And second thing, the crop gets food till the harvest. At the moment, ladies and gentlemen, what food you are eating is by force, not by will and wish. Yes, the difference comes because of home, because plant goes happy, crop goes happy, and they deliver the things very happily. At the moment you put micro and macronutrients forcefully. The product what you eat, what you get is by force, not by wish, not by will. Second thing, the first and foremost thing, in pulses and vegetables, we have done studies till your kitchen. Ladies, till your kitchen we have done the studies. We have saved the energy of 25 to 30% in pulses and vegetables when you cook at home. It means a lot. I am looking at 800 plus people, 800 crore plus people. Not only my country. I am looking at the world because this is a revolution. You need to join. When you are saying 20 to 30% energy It's a huge calculation per house. What's this? And the second thing, the taste, the nutritional quality. We have been able to remove, we have been able to control carbohydrates and sugar in potato, and lot many things with diabetic patient is been denied by the doctor. You cannot consume. I have the reports, I have brought the reports with me. Anyone wants to like, I will share the reports. We have brought the sugar level less than 0.5 and we have controlled the carbohydrates. We have increased the protein level in wheat. The reason is we have done this in genetically modified seeds. If I get non-genetically modified seeds, I can do miracles. In India, we are using non-genetically modified seeds which don't allow the pesticides to come. It acted in, it is known as BT. In the start, yes, but now even BT gets fungus. So where is that genetically modification gone? So you cannot oppose the system, the Prakruti, that is environmental activity. You need to use this. Not my product. You use anything, but you need to bring organic farming into the system and say no to inorganic farming. Once crops, now we have gone one step ahead and neutralized the things in much more. From the first crop itself, you will be delivered organic crop. 127 pesticide residue is been discarded from the system. Heavy metal contents discarded from the system from the first crop itself. Because our product has an ability which gives the plant, it makes the plant to go in a habit, to understand, to absorb. Our micronutrients and macronutrients and micronutrients have been used. Plant has an habit to take it from the root, but that is not right. Plant has to absorb like morning dews when our spray is done. All parts of the plant absorb the micro and macronutrients by the atmosphere from itself. The one satisfied it leaves to other part, then satisfied it goes to root, then satisfied the balance goes to the soil. Then the soil is regenerated. A crop has nothing to do with the soil. It is just a holder, platform for the soil and the base to stand. Yeah. The reason the soil has been damaged. Second thing, alkaline soils, acid soils. Yes, it does make difference. But there is nothing such thing that soil gets infertile. Soil can be made fertile. Like Mr. Berrick said, yes, 3.67 is the equation of the carbon holding, soil carbon and carbon release. When 3/4 metric tons of plant leaves stay on the land, 1 metric ton of organic carbon is been stored in the soil. Am I right, sir?
Mm-hmm.
That stays for 15 to 20 years. You can revolution can be done. You can change the soil within 5 years. We have made the product root fertilizer. Coming up with that, once you put it into your soil, we guarantee for 10 years of carbon staying into the soil, and the soil cannot be infertile. The only thing is you cannot use inorganic material and conventional farming. Second thing, crop yield. Yes, when you use conventional farming, the crop yield is maybe 1 metric ton or 2 metric ton, and this is just an example, but then you get 25% of rejection in that. Who is going to explain that? Crop, 25% of the crop is been rejected. In organic farming, rejection doesn't take place. We are giving you more. And that is how farmers are attracted. Basically, we are not giving more. 1 acre of soil need to give 1 metric ton earlier. That you have brought to 100 kgs. So 90 is gone. We are just bringing that 90 back. We are not doing any miracles. We are just bringing that 90 back. For you, that you need to give us time. We are not doing any miracle. Nobody can do miracles on the planet. Only God can do. Almighty can do. But this is, we are bringing the system back which is already spoiled. Yeah. We need to bring that turnover back. We can take that 100 to 1 metric ton. If all give support, yes. So, first and foremost thing, disease will not enter your body if the food is okay. Mental health will increase, behavior will increase. You will start respecting the things. Second thing, and first, we are also going ahead with one of the R&Ds which is going on next year. I think I shall be back with you all. Alzheimer and dementia shall be treated with food and not with drugs. Basically, there are no drugs who can clear Alzheimer and dementia. Yeah. We have developed a technology where we can transport, I forgot the name, sir, from Ayurveda. He explained me something in the morning and I believe it. Yes. We have understood the technology that what is the carrier, the transformation from the characteristic of the plant, of the herbal, to the crop. We use the crop, we use the plants in this for extraction which nobody uses, which are not useful for humans. Humans think it is not useful for us, but that is being made to use in the field. We have removed all the trees from the, I am talking about my country, I don't know anybody else, but we have removed all the trees from our farm, like people, banyan tree and all that, which exactly controls the soil toxins, air toxins, it takes inside and purifies it. Dear members, I am again telling you the same thing. I am not here to promote the products, but to share some thoughts and respect to organic farming and ecology, as food plays a major role in our day-to-day life. Basically, we have developed this product and balanced the whole economical system, whole ecological system, not economical. Whole ecology system is been balanced. We have gone till the kitchen. If anybody has noticed the cow what is giving milk at this part, at this point of time, and the cow, the one which used to give milk 20 years before, boiling temperature time has been hiked, not reduced, of the cow milk. And the pasteurized milk, it takes double the time of the unpasteurized milk. So, people don't understand, but yes, your cooking energy has gone up by 30-35%. People are talking about environment and global warming, but basically what? Your thing starts from your kitchen. Sorry to say that, but I don't know to speak anything, but I am an innovator and I have given 16 years to my product. Still I have not sold even 1 liter of the product. All have been done R&D. We have now been able to join hands with Canadian company and we have started doing business with them. And we are very happy to do that. My humble request to you all to promote organic farming in whichever way possible. And stop using synthetic fertilizer, chemicals and any other. You need to promote this, not as a product, as a generous thought for the universe. Hence,
Thank you.
thanking you.
It's a good reminder
Well done.
to everyone.
Thank you very much, Dr. Sir. Thank you very much for
Later.
raising,
Later.
thank you very much for raising the awareness of organic farming and bringing solutions. Thank you so much. So I would like to invite our next speaker, Dr. Rossett.
Dr. Raj.